Teacher Devaney back. Thanks for joining. So in your learning kits, you should have received a little bundle of beads. So for today's activity, we're going to use those beads. So I have a muffin tin. You don't have to use a muffin tin. You can use a piece of paper with lines drawn on it to do the different sections. So but I like the muffin tin because it holds the beads from rolling around and stuff. So what I want you to do is dump your beads in there, and then I want you to ask your child to sort out the beads in all the different colors, and then try to count how many each spot has, okay? So it's pretty easy, but at the same time, this is gonna start our early math skills of sorting, recognizing colors, counting. If your child is a little more advanced, what you could do is you also got some dice in there. You can ask them to roll the dice and put the number. Say you roll the dice and you got 3, and then you roll the dice and you got 5. Put the number in each section and have your child find out what is 3 and 5 and count them out. So there's lots of different things you could do. We would really love to see any videos that you might be willing to take or pictures of your child doing it. We'd like to hear some feedback on how your child is doing with counting and how we can help, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and get started sorting mine out. Can you see them with me? We have orange. We have a pretty little green. We have white. Another white. How many whites should we pull out? I think we need 7 white ones. And we have 1, 2 already. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We counted them one at a time. I think I want 3 red ones. 1 red one. We have 2 red ones. 3 red ones. How about 5 green ones? We already have 1 green one. I need 2 green ones. Oh, that's not green. 3 green ones. 4 green ones. And let's see, 5 green ones. How about 6 yellow? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow, 6 yellow. I wonder if I can make a pattern with all these beads that I have. I bet I can. So you also got some pipe cleaners. You can do a pipe cleaner pattern. Let me see if I can find a pipe cleaner real quick. No pipe cleaner. Okay, I have another idea. I don't need a pipe cleaner. I am gonna use a piece of paper. I'm gonna roll it up really tight. Roll it up, roll it up, roll it up. Do you see how I have that rainbow on it? Let's see if we can match it. So, what's our first color on our rainbow? It's red. Can you find a matching color on yours with your beads? It's red. What's the next color on our rainbow just right here? It's orange. Can you find an orange bead? What's the next color? It's yellow. I found a yellow. And the last color on my paper here, it's green. My green is darker, but it is green. So, if you noticed, I think I gave you like 5 ideas of different things that you can do with your beads. So, you can, depending on how advanced your child is, you can just sort the colors. You can sort them into groups of numbers. You can roll your dice and play a dice game of early math and add the 2 numbers up. And using these as counter beads, you can go on a color hunt and find the colors in there. So you can do a pattern on your pipe cleaner. You have lots of options. Let me know what you decided to do and if you make anything really pretty. Thanks so much. Have a good one.